On this day, September the 9th, we inaugurate with our neighborhood of partners and the biggest house on the block's rolling kitchen. We're gonna inaugurate this trailer. Julie, I really thank you guys. All right. Good things come in time.
One more try.
You want to hold the rope for him?
Hey! Mike, I want to say a few things. One, I want to say that every surgeon has a scalpel. A dentist has their instrument. Angel has his brush. And I'll tell you, that man, he's my Balkan brother. He knows what a Greek sunset is. He knows what that world is like. And I don't have any brushes to give him. I do have a spoon. And I want to just get just a little something that he can remember our time together. If you'd accept this on behalf of the Greek Shack, I appreciate that on his behalf. Give that to him. And the second thing I'll give is there is someone who's been instrumental throughout this whole process. And Julia, you're that person. You have been patient. You've dealt with my moments of crisis. You've helped support the whole creative effort.